is. Finally getting into the beans. We've been going a couple days on and off. We started on last week Friday, and we started at like, I want to say 3 o'clock. We got a little bit done by my boss's yard, and the rest of the stuff by the yard was green, so we moved over about 15 miles to a different field on, what was it, Monday or something. We knocked out 900 acres and came back to this field, which is just a little northwest of the yard, and we got 66 acres apiece done, and we started at 3 o'clock again today. I rock picked till 3, and then we started. And yeah, most of the fields are pretty green still, so kind of gotta wait day by day and see where we can go next, which is kind of a hassle. Plus we're leaving green spots in the field, so once we get all the soybeans done, we have to go back, pick up all the spots that we left, which is also going to be a pain in the ass. But it's better than running them through the combine when they're that fucking wet. And this year has been pretty shitty. Well, pretty much every crop was shitty. I thought the beans had a chance because it rained and they looked like they were getting bigger, but I don't know, we're still running fucking average of 30 bushels an acre on soybeans, which isn't the best, but it's something. I feel like corn's gonna be even worse this year. I don't know if it's gonna be as bad as wheat, but beans are the only thing that's doing fairly decent, but I'm not gonna say the greatest. Yeah, I'm just waiting to fucking call it quits for the night here. I'm fucking tired. So yeah, my days off from my boss's place, I've been at home helping with silage cutting, and it rained yesterday morning, only about 10 hundredths, but it was enough, so I didn't go to work, and the wind blew like crazy, so I thought we were gonna silage cut. Well, the chopper broke down, so I didn't really do shit yesterday. It took forever to dry today, so. But I'm glad we're out here. Unfortunately, I think we're gonna be running around from field to field, and I don't know, it might just be me, but I feel like we should be expecting snow maybe the 2nd or 3rd week in fucking October already, and it's already the 1st week of October, so if that's the case, a lot of people are going to be in trouble, because we still got a shit ton of soybeans. Luckily, there's no soybeans on my parents' farm this year. It was all just hay crop and silage for the cattle, because it was so fucking dry. But yeah, my boss might be shit out of luck, because we still got quite a few acres to cover for beans, and we still got all our corn to do. But I don't know, there's not much a guy can do except for get as much as he can done, which is why we're running a little bit later tonight, since we didn't start till 3. They're pretty dry. It was 13% when we started, and I looked a little bit ago, it was down to like 11-12%. Right now it's at fucking 17, but that's because I went through a fucking low spot back there. And there's really no breeze, so all this shit's piling up. So I can't fucking see if something goes wrong anyway. The only way I'll know is if I fucking hear it. But I figured I'd make a video. Since I made a wheat harvest video, I'll make one of each crop this year. Because there's really not much going on at home anyway, so. But surprisingly, we're still running 3.5-4 miles an hour through this shit. And it's fucking 8:30, 9 o'clock at night, so that's not bad. But I figured I'd make a video and update you guys on what I'm doing, and I'll catch you guys later.